Hello guys, work with me through the day 7 of my 90-day coding challenge. And here I just want to explain um some simple terms we need to know in JavaScript, though we know it, but let's revise this. So how does this work? I, I want to talk about something we use. When we want to enter some single argument, let me call it single argument. Instead of using if and else statement, we can use switch. And there are some common um errors. There are some common errors we can get in this switch. That means we are going to talk about the switch, how we can use the switch, the case and the break, and the debugging of this. So let's move in. So now let's declare our variable. Let's say let vehicle. Let vehicle is equals to, let's say, car. Let's add the string car for now. We can actually keep it empty, but let's add the string car. So switch, okay, this is it. Let me follow the suggestion because this actually, okay, switch, you have a car. Okay, this for bike, this for bus, and this is the default. We add the default if nothing is here. Do you understand? So now we entered for car. So in our console we should have this. You have a car. So let's open the console. So now, okay, inspect. So this is it. You have a car. So let's remove this and refresh. So we can represent it with bike. We can represent it with all these arguments or anything we have here, something like bike or bus. Like, this is just like the user input. We are doing this directly from our code right now, but this is just like the user input. Do you understand? So if we check this is okay. This is the default, the one I included here, the one that refreshed. So I can just refresh it this right now. So okay, this one said you have a bike because we entered the case bike. So now, real quick, let's just check some common errors that can happen. If we did not include this break, right here, it will continue after reading the argument. If we did not After reading the code, if we do not include this break, it will continue executing. You see, it will continue executing even after getting the correct um answer. Let me use it like that. So it will continue executing like that. So that is the common error that you can get from this type of code. But if you just need to enter some kind of if you need to enter if you need to enter some kind of if you need to um use this type of code, maybe it's just one, a single, I call it argument for me. So a single argument like this, you can just use this switch, case and break. But if you want to enter argument that involves maybe two, let's say let car is equals to 5, let bike is equals to 2. So that is when we have if, you see, okay, if car is equals to 5 and bike is equals to 2, you see. So this, if we want to enter something like this, 2 or more, we can use this. This is actually saver. Do you understand? This is actually saver for us. This is even what we should use. But if you just need to enter just one like this, we can actually use this switch, case and break, because it makes our code neater and it also makes it readable. You understand? So thank you.